हेलो दोस्तों, आज हम लेने वाले हैं 120 वर्ड पर मिनट इंग्लिश लीगल डिक्टेशन. बी रेडी फॉर इट. 10 सेकेंड. 5 सेकेंड. Start. Paragraph. Leave granted. Criminal miscellaneous petition number 1296 of 2010 seeking implement as a party is dismissed. Paragraph. This appeal is preferred against order passed by the High Court of Calcutta in CRR number 198 of 2005 in FIR number 21 dated 10th November 2004 on the file of Bada Bazar Police Station registered for the alleged offences under section 420 and 120B Indian Penal Code, including the order dated 28 October 2004 in case number C99 of 2004 passed by the Additional Metropolitan Magistrate Calcutta. Paragraph. Briefly, the facts are as follows. The appellant herein complainant was looking for a plot of land for construction of residential house in January 2004 and accused number 2, Prasad Babu, a public servant, represented that he could arrange for the said plot and introduce the appellant to respondent number 1, accused number 1, who stated that he had a plot of land and the appellant, believing the representation made by the accused number 2, entered into the agreement for sale with respondent number 1, herein accused number 1, and also paid a sum of rupees 5 lakh 1 in cash. The respondent number 1 herein refused to hand over the necessary title documents to the appellant, which led to issuance of legal notice by the appellant. All other methods to compel respondent number 1 to complete the sale having failed, the appellant filed a complaint on 28 October 2004 in the Court of Additional Chief Metropolitan Magistrate, Calcutta, against respondent number 1, herein accused number 1 and accused number 2 for the offence punishable under section 420 read with section 120B of the IPC. The Additional Chief Metropolitan Magistrate forwarded the complaint to the officer in charge of the Bada Bazar Police Station for causing investigation under section 156(3) of Criminal Procedure Code by treating the complaint as first information report. Respondent number 1, herein accused number 1, filed application under section 482 of CRPC for quashing the said proceedings, including the FIR. Though the appellant herein a complainant was impleaded as a party, no attempt was made to serve notice on him, with the result that the learned single judge of the High Court quashed the complainant proceedings in the absence of the appellant herein. Challenging the order, the appellant herein preferred appeal to this court in criminal appeal number 82 of 2007, and this court by judgment dated May 09, 2007 allowed the appeal and remitted the case to the High Court for a fresh decision in accordance with law. Thereafter, the High Court heard both the parties and by impugned order dated June 29, 2009 allowed the application under section 482 of CRPC and quashed the complaint proceedings. Agreed by the same, the complainant has preferred The present appeal